Last time we had discussed about the reaction of metal with water and oxygen. Okay, so today we will discuss about the reaction
Yes,
of
sir.
metal with acids. Okay, so I'm going to write the heading. Today's heading is the reaction
Sir,
of.
did we take different types of metal?
हाँ बेटा, hello, what did you say?
I was saying that we have to write the heading chemical reaction
Yes,
of metals.
like you have to write like a
Okay.
reaction of metal with acids. I'm writing here.
Okay.
Acids. Okay, so first reaction we are going to check. Okay, so reaction with hydrogen, reaction of sodium metal. So I'm going to write here first. In this part we have first reaction of sodium metal with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, its formula is HCl. Okay, so I'm going to write the description. Okay, so first, like we are writing the word equation. When metal reacts with acids, they gives metallic salt, and hydrogen gas is releases. Okay, here also hydrogen gas is releases. Okay, so I'm going to write the description for the sodium metal and reaction of sodium metal with HCl. So when when sodium metal reacts with HCl. What is HCl? It is hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride. Sodium chloride.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, there was a network issue. Can you repeat the first one? Reaction of sodium metal with hydrochloric acid.
It's in your screen. When sodium metal reacts with HCl, and HCl is hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride, and hydrogen gas is releases. Sodium chloride is a salt. So I am in bracket. I am going to write the salt.
Sir, before this, did you give any before this reaction of sodium?
Okay, see here we have written in black ink, metal when reacts with acid gives metallic salt. Okay, and hydrogen gases releases.
Sir, is sodium used in kitchen?
Sodium, yes, we have sodium chloride, which is a salt that we are eating every day in our food, like in vegetables, pulses, we are using that salt. Sodium chloride, NaCl.
Salt and sodium chloride.
Yes, sodium chloride. Okay, so let me complete the description. So when sodium chloride, sodium metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride, which is a salt, and hydrogen gas is releases. Hydrogen gas is releases.
Sir,
Yes.
So from the hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas will be removed.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir,
Sir,
from the HCl, the hydrogen gas will be removed. Is released.
Yes. Hydrogen gas will be released. See, we will have to discuss first the reaction, how sodium reacts. Okay, so I'm going to write the
sir,
reaction
when
of.
all metals react with acids, they give sodium chloride.
No, because we have different we have different acids like sulfuric acid we have. If sulfuric acid will going to react, okay, with sodium metal, will give sodium sulfate, which is another
Nitric
salt.
acid.
Which is another salt. It
Sir,
depends on which type of acid we are using. It depends on which type of acid we are using. Okay?
sir,
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, then if we
sir,
use
did
all,
we complete that displacement reaction part?
Yes, yes. That's what I want to explain. First, we have to complete this reaction. Then we will discuss about your all questions. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
but did we complete that or that is left?
It is left beta. See, we have to write the reaction. We haven't written the reaction yet. So I'm going to write the reaction. See,
sir,
sodium.
when only one acid reacts with all metals,
No,
then
no,
it
no.
will release.
No, all acid reacts with sodium and other metals also. We will discuss one by one, na beta. Let me complete this reaction first. Then we will discuss about another acid and another metal. Okay? Will do. Okay. So now sodium.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When sodium reacts with HCl.
HCl.
HCl is what? Hydrochloric acid. Okay. When sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives NaCl. NaCl, yes, NaCl is sodium chloride, and hydrogen gas is released. See now, in a reactant side we have only one hydrogen, but product side we have two hydrogen. So we have to balance the reaction. Now that's why I am writing 2 here. Now hydrogen on product side and reactant sides are same, but now chlorine has becomes 2. So here again I am going to write 2 coefficient. And chlorine is now balanced, but sodium is again increases by 1. So here again I am going to write 2. So now the reaction is balanced. Okay, I think somebody is in waiting room. Let them in also. Okay. Okay, so now it is sodium metal. So I'm going to write here sodium. It is hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid. It is sodium chloride, which is salt. Huh?
Sir, before starting this reaction of metals with acids, did we discuss anything?
No. We discuss
We
about
started.
the description only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is the reaction. It is now completed. You can take a screenshot, or if you are writing, then complete it. So first we have, learn about. Yes.
Sir, wait, I'm taking screenshot.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Done.
1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay.
Yes, sir, written also.
So now
Yes,
I'm
sir,
going. Okay, so we are going to write another reaction with another acid and another metal. Okay, so we'll change the metal as well as acid now. So I'm going to erase this one. Okay, now second reaction we are checking. Now reaction of which metal you want to take? Which metal you want to take from your side?
Sir, gold.
AU.
No, beta.
AU.
See, gold is
AU.
gold is not going to react because gold is noble. You have to we have medium reactive metal and highly reactive metal. Only we can take this. Gold is a noble metal, na? Like
Sir,
gold,
the
silver.
magnesium.
Okay, sir.
Okay, magnesium
Sir,
we can take.
iron.
Yes,
MG.
whereas
MG.
Mg magnesium we will take. Okay, so magnesium. So reaction of Mg with which acid we are going to take? We will take sulfuric acid now.
HCl.
No, we will take H2SO4. It is sulfuric acid. sulfuric acid. Okay, it is sulfuric acid. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, sir.
H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. I have written name here. Huh? You can go through it also. Okay, now I'm going to write, first we will discuss about the reaction, then we will write the description of the reaction. Okay, so see, we have taken magnesium metal, so Mg, it is magnesium. It is going to react with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, so see, Mg is going to react with SO4 to form magnesium sulfate. It will form MgSO4 and hydrogen gas will release. So for like,
Hydrogen will be.
yes,
Yes, sir.
every time hydrogen, when any acid will going to
Sir,
react
we
with
need
metal,
magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen, no?
yes, magnesium sulfate with hydrogen. I'm going to write the name also.
Sir,
Wait,
we have to write this means this formula also. Mg plus H2S4 is equal to MgS4.
yes, it is, it is nothing but the representation of reaction. We have to write the description also. So I am going to write description here, but first I am writing the name of all the reactant and product. So first reactant is magnesium metal. It is sulfuric acid, it is magnesium sulfate, which is salt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and have you heard
Hydrogen will be.
beta?
Sir, is that magnesium sulfate?
Sulfuric is salt, sir.
Magnesium sulfate is a salt and sulfuric is acid.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write the description, okay, here. So the description for reaction will be when magnesium metal
Sir, Srihita is asking to admit her.
yes. I have admitted all. Srishita is also there. Why they are leaving again? Okay. Now they are
So
in.
net problems.
Okay, yeah. So when magnesium metal reacts with sulfuric acid, gives magnesium sulfate. And hydrogen gas is released.
Hydrogen will be released.
Yes, hydrogen gas is releases. Okay, now this is the description of the reaction. So I want you all, if you are writing, you can write or you can take a screenshot also.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Done, beta?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Everyone?
Done, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, will you send this lecture in the classroom also?
Yes, beta, yes. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. So magnesium sulfate is also done. Okay. So any doubt in both the reaction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. You know, magnesium sulfate is also called as Epsom salt. 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 Ep It is
Yes,
al-
sir, it is used in
Water,
Chinese.
yes,
Natural
it is Ajinomoto. So I'm going to write
Yes,
some.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes. So here we can write one more point: magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is also called Epsom salt.
it's a
Epsom,
natural salt.
yes.
So
Epsom,
can you
Sir, what is the meaning of that?
Epsom salt. Its name. Epsom salt. Okay, it is also called as Ajinomoto or Chinese salt.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, is it a natural salt?
It is found in natural salt as well as it is going to synthesize in laboratory also. It is yes, it is natural.
Sir, is this salt dangerous?
See, if you will use in excess, then it is dangerous. Yes, because that salt, if we will use the salt, it is used as a anti
Yes, sir, I have
have
heard that
anesthetic.
it artificially,
Uh-huh.
sir, it artificially makes our taste buds overreactive, so that the food we taste more tasty.
Okay, but if we will use in large quantity, then it is generally it is used in preparation of drug. It has a anesthetic property. Okay, it is also like have
Sir,
some medicinal.
medicinal drug.
Yeah, in medicinal, it has a medicinal property, it used to reduce the pain of the body.
Sir, is it also used in facial Epsom salt?
Probably yes.
So,
Yeah.
sir, Epsom salt or Epsom salt?
It is Epsom, SOM. Okay. Epsom, M is here.
So that's why I was thinking that why you have written
Ha. It's Epsom salt. It is also called as Ajinomoto. Okay. So understood the reaction?
Yes, sir. Next.
Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, sir, understood,
Okay.
no doubt.
So you can take a screenshot now.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, everyone?
No, sir.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes,
So
Sir, can you move side a little bit, sir?
Okay.
Can you show the other reaction?
Okay, wait a beta. Now here it is.
Sir, not this, sir.
Sir, I can't.
Magnesium sulfate. He's asking.
Okay, one more time. Okay,
Yes,
now here
sir.
it is.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any doubt beta here in the reaction?
No, sir. Sir, we are
no, sir,
clearly,
no doubt.
sir, we can
So
clearly see that, sir, we
okay.
can clearly see that when magnesium metal reacts with sulfuric acid.
Ha. You want to have one more reaction?
Yes, sir. One more. Last.
Okay.
No, sir, it's okay.
Sir, aluminium with hydrochloric acid.
Okay, we'll do for aluminum with hydrochloric acid. So third reaction.
Sir, with nitric acid, will anything do?
Yes, nitric acid we can also take. Okay. Okay, we'll take nitric acid now.
No,
Okay.
sir, phosphoric acid.
See, we have completed one reaction for hydrochloric acid, one reaction is for sulfuric acid. Now we will take one reaction for nitric acid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So from
So
this, three main acids will be covered.
yes. So reaction of
H2NO3.
sodium metal with
Sir, we will take aluminium metal.
Aluminum nitrate. See, aluminum nitrate is unstable. It is not as much stable as sodium nitrate. So I am taking sodium nitrate. Okay, so we had to form the stable product. Okay,
Sir, how is it identified whether the product is stable or not?
generally the reaction get reverse direction. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So we'll continue with this.
Sir, is it nitric acid?
Yes,
Yes.
HNO3 is nitric acid. Okay.
Okay, sir, continue.
Okay. So sodium metal with nitric acid, NiTRIC.
Yes, sir, it's nitric acid.
And its formula is HNO3. Okay, so I'm going to write reaction over here, then we will write the description. So sodium, when reacts with HNO3, see, it is nitric acid. Okay, HNO3 is nitric acid. So when nitric acid how nitric acid is formed in our environment also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, by thunderstorms.
Bats.
Sir, by natural calamities.
For natural calamities, yes. Again, any more example?
Thunderstorms.
And storm. See, generally it takes place by
Bats.
burning of fossil fuel. Burning of fossil fuel. Okay, burning of fossil fuel also gives. Hello, are you there, beta? Oh, yes. Notification is no. We have only 10 minutes left to complete our session. So I'm going to write very fast because we have only 10 minutes to complete. See,
Yes,
sodium metal when reacts with HNO3, it is nitric acid. So it gives sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Okay, along with there is no only one product is formed during the reaction, because the different like acid have different way of reaction. Okay, so when HNO3 like sodium metal reacts with nitric acid, nitrogen and nitrogen dioxide also releases during the reaction. Okay, which one? Nitrogen oxide like NO, and NO2 is also releases during the reaction. Okay, and
Sir, these are pollutants, no?
yes, these are the pollutants. Okay, and along with water, hydrogen gas is then when going to react with oxygen, they combines to form water molecule. So hydrogen gas is not released during the reaction of sodium nitrate nitric acid and sodium metal. Okay,
Excuse
so
me, sir, I have a doubt.
yes, beta.
Sir,
Like H2O means two hydrogen and one oxygen molecule, sir.
See, in water we have H2O. Yes, two hydrogen is there. See, here we have in center oxygen molecule and two side hydrogens are attached like this. Okay, so we have H2 and O like H2O. So see, you have to remember when sodium metal react with HNO3, it is nitric acid, gives sodium nitrate.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Yes, beta.
Sir, you said that one oxygen and two hydrogen. Then can we rewrite it as OH2?
See, what happens whenever we are writing any symbolic form of the compound, we have to write the positive species first, followed by negative species. So here we have positive charge on hydrogen, that's why we have written H2 first.
Sir, what are positive and negative, sir? If it is greater, then it will be positive. If it is
No, the species which is going to lose electron, or okay, it forms like
Sir, means metals first and
Yes.
non-metals second, no?
but sometimes we have the compounds of non-metals also, like CO2. Here we have positive charge on carbon and negative charge on oxygen. So that's why we have written carbon first, then oxygen here. See here, IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, has suggested one, specific criteria for the writing molecular formulas. So they, in their standard, there is written over there, we had to write positive species first, then followed by negative species. Okay, so in NaCl, sodium have positive charge and chlorine have negative charge. So positive charge we are writing first and negative charge we are writing later on. Even while writing the name, we are writing sodium
Sir,
first.
how can we classify it into positive and negative charges?
See, when they will going to form the compound, they are losing electron. So those they will lose
Sir, we have
electron.
to write 2 before HNO3, no, the reaction for balancing
Yes,
it.
yes. We have to balance that. We are discussing here only. We have to write 3. Like we have NO and NO2 also. So let it be. We have to first solve your confusion here about why we are writing positive and negative first. So it is due to the standard provided by the IUPAC. Okay, we are writing positive species first and negative species. Now we will, how we are going to identify positive and negative species? So sodium will going to lose electron. When it will lose electron, will form positive ion, and sodium will going to gain electron, so it will form negative ion. So positive is charge on sodium and negative charge on chlorine. So that's why we are writing sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, so that standard is given by IUPAC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
okay.
So I'm going to erase this part because it is not
Sir,
required now.
can you write the indications of those formulas?
Yes. So it is sodium.
Sir, can you please make this in the same way like phosphoric acid?
Okay. See different acid, their reactivity is different. So we will not going to deep in that much. We don't have to do like this reaction. You will face in 12th standard only. Not even in 9th standard, 10th standard. You will going to face this reaction again in 12th standard. So this reaction is very critical, and your syllabus is like quite easy. Okay, so but if you
Sir,
are
which
asking,
Sir,
one
the
is
reaction of
critical?
sodium with nitric acid you are saying?
yes, because this like this reaction is for 12th standard and higher standard. So but if you are asking, that's why I'm writing and explaining the things. Okay, otherwise all this reaction is for for higher grades. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me complete the reaction first. So here if we will write twice, so 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Oxygen we have 3 2s are 6. So here 3 4 5 and 6. So it will form 50% and it will form 50%.
Sir, what happens if we don't balance the equation?
So for writing the for balancing the reaction, see, during the chemical reaction, no atoms are being created and nor been destroyed. That means that mass is neither been created nor been destroyed during the reaction. That means all the like weight, or we can say mass on reactant side and product side have to be same. Okay, that's why we are balancing. If we will not balance, then in product side we have 3 nitrogen, and reactant side we have only 1 nitrogen. So it is not going to fair. Okay, that's why we have to balance the reaction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so let me balance this. So here we have sodium 3 2s are 6. If we will write 2 here, so here we have to write 3 now, and here 2. Now we have to balance. 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. NO2. So
Sir, by mistakenly I have written NO plus NO2 and
No.
it is 50% divided.
No. Wait. Sodium. So let me balance first. We have NO3. Nitrogen we have only one, but product side we have only 2 and 3. So
Sir, oxygen it is less.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 3. 2s are 6. One oxygen is less. So
Yes, sir. Else everything is okay. Oxygen is less.
okay, okay. Hmm, 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 hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, so these are the byproduct. These are the byproduct. So if we will not write, then we'll do also. So we will write the same way, like here we have to write 2, then again hydrogen gas, and here twice. Now it is balanced. 3 2s are 6.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen,
Now it's balanced.
3 2s are 6. Sodium we have 2, 2 hydrogen, yes, yes. Now it is balanced. So in order to balance the reaction, we have not written the byproduct of this reaction, okay, but there is some nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide are formed, and they are pollutants. And when we are burning petroleum and fossil fuel like coal, we are burning, that time sulfur sulfur dioxide and nitrogen, different oxides of nitrogen also releases into the atmosphere, and they are nothing but the pollutants. Okay, so let me complete the reaction. So sodium, then it is nitric acid, nitric
So this
acid.
class will end, sir. Should we join again?
Yes, yes, we had to join. Okay, so let me complete this first. It is sodium nitrate, sodium nitrate and hydrogen gas, hydrogen gas. So here, right, we have to represent that arrow also. So description of the reaction will be when sodium metal reacts with nitric acid gives sodium nitrate, and